Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in the video, and today we will clean up with Will, and this is day 34. I'll repeat, this is day 34, and we will do this for 7 minutes. Let's begin, man. See if my mic is on. Let's start. Alright, y'all. Alright, let's go. Some of this water. What the heck, bro? The devil is a lot. What is the broom at? It's so cold in this house, bro. It don't make no sense. This girl. Uh-huh. So, I'm recording. I don't know. I know I ain't hang up. You know who. She yelling like she in the scary movies. 2 times. You hear me? Yeah, 2 times. Yeah, she yell your name. Yeah. Two times, like I told you. Yep. Hold on. You're gonna have to wait after this video, okay? 3 minutes. Give me 3. 3. Yeah, crazy, man. Somebody's yelling their tail off. My fault, y'all. Yeah. Mara. That's exactly how they was. That's exactly how they was last night. Crazy. They was saying like they in the final destination, bro. On Resident Evil. Umbrella. Oh shoot. When you see me having something in life, just know I was working my tail off for a lot of years just to get to where I'm at, bro. From 18 years old up to now, dog. What the heck? Ew, right? Ew, dog. Hope you all up today. You got work to do, man. The marathon is the marathon is not over, man. They had a lot of stuff on this pen, man. Oh, dang, y'all. I gotta go. Y'all know what the deal is, man. I'm out.